So you just completed a duet in TikTok using the mic feature, but it sounds like, should I do this over? If that's you and it sounds distorted, watch this next video coming up. The reason your sound is distorted is because, hey, what's going on, guys? It's me, Quincy, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use the mic feature when doing a duet, but let's get rid of that distorted sound, the nasty sound that you don't want. Let's dive straight into it. Tip number one, turn your Wi-Fi off. If you're using home Wi-Fi, you're just asking for delays. First, we're going to find a video to duet using the audio that comes with the phone or the mic on the phone. I have an iPhone. I'm not sure what you have. Let's go. We're going to do one that I actually did on my page, but I'm going to do it for you on YouTube. And it's this one right here. So this is it right here. Let's go to the actual video. Let's go ahead and hit duet. Boom, I'm up here right now. Let's see what the quality is like. I got my mic on, ready to go. Yo. Hey, you gotta go. What? You gonna take my messages? When you calling me back? When? Okay, all right, from holidays, okay. Let's listen to this real quick.
Okay.
Yo.
I just have to go.
You gotta go?
Yeah.
What?
I'll take your messages.
You gonna take my messages? When you calling me back?
Yeah, I'll ring you back.
When?
When I come back.
Okay, all right, from holidays, okay. All right, but let's go ahead and go to the volume. Now, sometimes I know you might encounter that you can't adjust one or the other, but here, let me turn me down. Turn their volume up. So we'll save that in the drafts. That actually sounded pretty good. So we're gonna try this with the earbuds right now. Do this with the earbuds and see what the quality is like. Hey, wait. Hold on. You gotta go. You want me to leave you a message? Okay, all right. You call me back now. When you gonna call me back? When? Okay, all right, for sure. Hey, wait. Hold on.
I just have to go.
You gotta go.
Yeah.
You want me to leave you a message?
I'll take your messages.
Okay, all right. You call me back now.
Yeah, I'll ring you back.
When you gonna call me back?
Okay, bye.
When
I come back for holidays.
Okay, all right, for sure.
Okay.
So that actually wasn't too bad. I was able to adjust the volume. So far, no distortion. Let's do the last one with AirPods. Put your AirPods in. Check mic. Here we go.
Okay.
Hey,
No, I just have to go.
Wait. You gotta go.
Yeah.
You gonna take my messages?
I'll take your messages.
Okay. Well, you make sure you call me back
Yeah,
now.
I'll ring you back.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
When you call me back?
Back
When?
for holidays.
From holiday.
Yeah,
Okay.
okay.
All right. For sure. All right. Let's hear that.
Okay.
Hey. Wait. You gotta go.
Yeah.
Are you gonna take my messages?
So
we can adjust
take
that
your
volume
messages.
also. Okay. Well, you make sure you call me back
Yeah,
now.
I'll ring-
So I think I found one that is really loud when I use the audio to do a duet, unlike the first one.
Why don't you go to the street and get something to eat? I know you're hungry.
You hungry?
Cause see, I ate twice before I came.
Whoa. So you hear my voice, it doesn't sound loud, but let me show you what happens when I turn my voice all the way down. You see how clear the video became when I turned my voice down? It's because my recording just using the phone mic without earbuds or AirPods picked up her voice from the TikTok as well as mine, giving it that push, that edge, that nasty distortion sound. So this is why you want to use earbuds or AirPods. Turn it back up. It just sounds bad. The reason your sound is distorted is because your volume is being amplified louder when you use the audio from your cell phone. If you plug in earbuds or AirPods, you now reduce the sound of the TikTok being recorded as well as your voice. This is why you want to use AirPods, and of course this is why you want to use earbuds, because you no longer hear the audio from the TikTok you're duetting. This is where the distortion comes in. Once again, as I mentioned earlier, make sure that you are not using Wi-Fi. Use your cellular service provider. This way you're not getting any delays. Delay is one thing that can happen from using Wi-Fi or a third-party hotspot. And if you're going to use AirPods or earbuds, make sure they are name brand, top quality. I will put a few types that you can get in the description below that I recommend. All right, guys. Hey, once again, my name is Quincy. I hope this video was beneficial to you and that you could learn from it. If you have any questions or comments, please leave those in the comment section below. Or also let me know what type of content you want to see, any videos you would like to see on tips and tricks or how-tos as well. Subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to share this with someone else who can use it, and I'll see you guys on the next video.